Are you invisible to potential clients on Xero? I hate to break it to you, but your profile is hidden by default. That means people in the Xero community who could be looking for your expertise right now can't find you. I am going to show you how to go public in under a minute. We will log in, navigate straight to your profile settings, and flip the switch. It is just 7 simple steps. So let us get started by logging into your Xero account. Pull up your usual login screen. Enter your email address and password, and click the login button. This is where we start the process, and it takes about 10 seconds. Once you are logged in, look to the top right corner of your screen. You will see a small circle with your initials or a profile picture inside. That is your profile icon. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option that says Profile. This takes you to your personal information page, where you can manage all your account details. Now, scroll down the page until you see a section titled Public Profile. This is the part of your profile that other Xero users see when they search for you. By default, it is set to off, which is why nobody can find you. And here is the moment of truth. You will see a toggle switch next to the public profile setting. Click it to turn it from off to on. That is the single action that changes everything from invisible to discoverable. But hold on, do not close the page yet. Now is the time to check your profile details for accuracy. Make sure your business name is correct. Double-check your location, your website, and any description you have added. This is what potential clients will see first, so make it count. If anything is missing or outdated, update it right now. You want to look professional and trustworthy from the moment someone clicks on your profile. Once you are happy with everything, scroll to the bottom of the page. You will see a blue Save button. Click it. And that is it. Your profile is now visible to the Xero community. People searching for an accountant, a bookkeeper, or a collaborator in your area can now find you. It really is that straightforward, and you did it in less than a minute. A quick tip from someone who has been through this process more times than I can count: every now and then, come back and review your public profile. Update your availability, or add a recent achievement. Keeping it fresh shows you are active and engaged. Thanks for following along. If this helped you out, share it with someone else who might be invisible in Xero too. I will see you in the next one.